Hello, my name is John Ferris and I'd like to invite you on a journey through my AI Mentor. My AI Mentor was set up because I realised there was a need to support people on the AI journey that they might be on. AI has come into our lives in lots of different ways, and just understanding what is artificial intelligence is a starting point even of its own. Maybe you have goals, maybe you really not sure which way you're going with it all, but you want to understand a little bit more about the basics, learn how tools work, and experiment with it, test out different ideas. Maybe you're looking to dive into deep learning, and maybe you're looking at specialising and building projects and all those areas. Well, the key bit is you can learn at your own pace through us. So you'll be able to look at machine learning, neural network and deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and possibly one of the more interesting ones, the generative AI, where you actually use text, etc. We'll be looking at and introducing you to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and the various other image generation tools. And we'll also be looking at how we can use Copilot and various other systems to actually help you. Searching and research will also be helping you with taking you on the journey to Perplexity, using Google's Notebook, which is fantastic, and other content. So lots and lots of different areas that we'll be supporting you with. So we have a learning path, as you see here. We have the tools, the resources that we talk about here. And obviously you've got lots of questions that we've got answers for. So with all that being said, you're probably going to want to see what you get if you get involved. Well, we have a dashboard. You'll be able to have your own dashboard access, and I'm just going to pause whilst I log in. So we've logged in, as you can see here. My name is here, as you can see. And we've got a whole lot of information here. We're going to be offering consultancy services and premium plan. Another key factor that we actually offer is AI support in terms of a chatbot, where you can actually put a question in like, what does LLM stand for? This is something a lot of people won't know. Does it matter about the spelling? No, it doesn't. You can get an answer. LLM stands for Large Language Model. Essentially, they are powerful AI models that are being trained with vast amounts of text data, allowing them to understand, generate, and even translate human language. Does it make sense? Yes, hopefully it does. But the key thing is you can also use the microphone call button and have that conversation with the system as well. So this may well help you on the journey as you go through different questions that you encounter, and hopefully you will end up developing new skills through this process. So if you get to the stage where you're in a business and you're a business owner, you might want to know a little bit about whether the guy has got any knowledge on any of this. Well, yes, I have. So I have been Microsoft certified in a couple of areas, and also Google, of which I run AI prompt training .co.uk. So here is the AI prompt training option, where again you can look directly at the training questions, understand and develop your knowledge there. That is part of the AI Mentor system, and we also have the ability to go through and get an assessment on what our needs might be on top of other areas that you might have interest in. You can book an appointment, you can do a whole bunch of other things. So I'm hoping this has helped you on the journey that you are going through. My name is John Ferris, and I look forward to welcoming you onto the AI Mentor system. Thank you.